So I am about to go to Singapore and South Korea in a week's time. I am going to be packing for trip. I want to bring you guys along. So this is the luggage that I'm taking right now. That's my luggage. Two major issues of packing for Singapore and Korea. Singapore is close to the equator, which means that the weather's always really hot there. For Korea right now, we're in December. It is really cold, so I have to pack for summer and winter clothes, so that's double the amount of clothes that I have to bring to this trip. It's one of the biggest issues. Let's get packing. Anyways, this is basically my suitcase. It's full of so much things. This is my suitcase right here. I have a lot of extra stuff that I packed off camera. So in here, I packed hats, packed some jewelry, a shower cap, and I actually divided my clothes into 3 different vacuum sealed bags. I have our summer clothes right here on top, another vacuum sealed bag full of my winter jacket, a few pajamas, the gloves, things I'm just going to unzip in Singapore because next day we're going to go to Korea. I'm actually going to leave the summer vacuum sealed bag in Singapore. Another vacuum sealed bag full of my socks and underwears and bras and everything. So I just vacuum sealed in a compression bag. I put it in like the compression bag so it's easy just to take out, just so like it doesn't go everywhere. It's like compressed into one place. It's a little bag where I can just take out all like my socks and stuff. Over here I have a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. I have plastic bags, I have clips, I have elastic bands. I am a packer that packs everything. If I can bring it from here, I do not want to buy it there in other countries. It's just such a hassle just trying to find stuff to get and buy. And necessarily they might not be cheap. For example, I just bought some plastic bags, heat packs, instant heat packs, earbuds, a few face masks, disinfectant wipes. I've also bought some green tea, peppermint tea, and my 2 mouthwashes as well. Now I'm going to show you guys what I packed for the other side of my suitcase. So it is still half empty, so there's some space I can do for shopping in Singapore and Korea. Now this is like the thing I hate being a woman. We just need to bring extra stuff. Like I just realized like for traveling, men, they just need to bring their clothes, underwear, maybe a few like cosmetic items, but like for women we have to bring like, bras, dresses, we need to bring pads, we need to bring makeup, we need to bring a lot more extra stuff than men do. This is my bag full of toiletries. Actually this is one of 2 bags. And this is all my makeup and everything inside. With lashes, with some eyeshadow as well. Scissors, and I cannot see, so I need to bring my contact lenses as well. If to look good, yeah, we need to bring makeup. I also bought some extra pads. I'm a pad girly, I'm not a tampon girly, I don't wear tampons. I do not want to be buying them overseas, and this is a 3-week holiday. I'm not gonna get a period. I'm not a tampon girly, so pads it is. This is something that I will be using and throwing away, so it will create more space in my luggage. I also bought this little vacuum pump sealer. This is all the air out. Here is my other bag of toiletries, white plastic bag. And in here, I bought a lot more things. So I'll show you guys really quickly what I got. A couple wipes, a dry shampoo as well, non-spray deodorant. I also got some perfume as well. I have to bring shampoo and conditioner specifically because my hair has been dyed before. So I cannot just be using hotel shampoo and conditioner. So that's this huge bag basically. Another huge chunk that's taking up the other side of my bag. All the other vitamins, yes. Usually sometimes I'm traveling, hopefully this time we might get sick. So a lot of vitamins, magnesium, vitamin C, Panadol, some lozenges in case I'm coughing, got some hydrolytes, also eye drops as well. So that's everything here. Pretty much all I packed in my suitcase. Next, I'm quickly just showcasing you my bag. A few things to note for my carry-on bag. Electronics cables in this small bag here. My glasses, some tissue just in case, some pads just in case as well. I also bring this, it's not like a sleeping pillow, it's more of a wrap around the neck because I find if I use a travel pillow, the back of my neck is like not really well rested. So this one allows me to kind of like sleep straight. So how this works, it supports the neck on one side. I'm a one side neck sleeper. I used to sleep on this side actually. You can also switch it to this side. You just wrap it around like so quickly. I think I did it the other way around. I don't know, I'll see. This is the first time I bought this anyways, so I'll give you guys a review of this product. But it's from AliExpress anyways, like about $11. And these are my sunglasses. I'm so excited to bring them. Traveling, these are my Prada sunglasses. Looks so fancy. This is like for like when I wear contacts, which is basically every single day that I'm going out traveling because I don't really like wearing glasses. And that's basically it. My travel bag is pretty bulky because it's just a lot of like small stuff inside, but it is pretty light. I will put my iPad inside here and look at the back, but that is it. That's my carry-on, and this is my other bag as well. Just for everyday traveling. I just put some sunscreen. I think a few notes to highlight. I'm using this Dewy Overshade sunscreen, some sanitizer, tissue, and some extra medication just in case. Battery pack as well that I'm bringing. I'm just leaving it in here, so it's like I'm not bringing too much stuff in my other bag. But this is also one thing that I think is really useful for Singapore. Singapore is going to be very hot especially. Now yes, I'm going to bring an umbrella and hat, but need some bit of air circulation. So this is actually a fan. Oops. Fan. It is also a battery pack as well, so you can charge your stuff. And it is also a torch as well. Ta-da! It's a torch. That's basically what I packed for Korea and Singapore. I know I packed a lot of stuff, but it's because I did not want to buy these stuff in Korea and Singapore. Like Singapore and Korea, I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff, a lot of traveling, touring, and I want to just save some of my time just to go shopping instead of shopping for little things that I need. I'm trying to think and bring of all the little things that might inconvenience me, like getting sick, like needing a pen, that kind of stuff. That's why I'm bringing a lot of stuff, but usually by the end of the trip, except for my clothes and makeup, most of them are going to be used up anyways. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Please give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel if you find my content really interesting. I will be filming Singapore and Korea, so watch out for the vlogs. Bye!